A smoothie is a drink which is made from raw fruits and vegetables. It is very healthy for our body as it contains so many nutrients. Therefore, we should include a smoothie in our breakfast instead of having food like aloo paratha. So, let's start. Here I have taken one apple, which is a good source of fiber and vitamin C. Anar or pomegranate, which is a good source of vitamin A, vitamin D, and fiber. One banana contains vitamin C and fiber. Almonds are good source of magnesium, fiber, and protein. I have taken 2 walnuts as it contains sodium, potassium, vitamin A, and vitamin D. I have cut apple into pieces. This one is grinded almonds. This is roughly chopped almond. Additional ingredient I have taken is homemade peanut butter. If you want to learn how to make peanut butter at home, please watch my video. Please click on the I button link.